In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best, most accurate crossbows in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. The Viper S400 is among the best crossbows because it is an elite-level crossbow. One of the best features is the safe decocking method using the ACA slide feature. Decocking crossbows can be hectic, especially after a long day of tracking game, and Viper S400 makes it easy. Also, you can do silent cocking in the field without losing control. You have better trigger control because of the S1 trigger, and you will aim with high accuracy. The micro-track barrel prolongs the durability of the string life up to 1,300 shots. Part of the package includes a Rangemaster Pro scope, a 6-arrow tech quiver, and 3 Evo X Center Punch premium carbon arrows. Shooting arrows accurately at 50 yards will be simple with this bow. A Tech X stock reduces the weight of the crossbow to 1 or 2 pounds when you are aiming. You will get a lifetime warranty for the gadget, and it comes pre-assembled. Overall, you are getting one of the best crossbows with all the bells and whistles. Number 4. The award-winning Raven R26 is the most compact and lightweight crossbow on the market. Chosen the #1 Editor's Choice Crossbow 2019 by Outdoor Life, the R26 delivers on speed, design, technology and ease of use afield. Featuring level cams that can rotate 360 degrees, the axle-to-axle width measures an amazing 5.75 inches when fully drawn, allowing for speeds up to 400 FPS with a 404-grain arrow. Weighing in at only 6.5 pounds and just 26 inches in length, the R26 is easy to carry and handle on the ground or in a tree stand. Accuracy tested out with groups averaging 1.5 inches at 40 yards, adding to the overall superiority and performance of this crossbow. The package includes the R26 fully assembled, illuminated scope, 3-arrow quiver, draw handle, 6-pack 400-grain match grade .003 arrows, field points and accessories bracket. Number 3. Top pick for the best reverse draw crossbow for the money is the Wicked Ridge RDX 400. Wicked Ridge is 10 points budget brand, so you'll be able to get 10-point technologies at a much cheaper price. This crossbow offers speeds of up to 400 feet per second, is very accurate, and is available with a rope cocking sled or the ACA Raw Pro crank cocking device. Even though the Wicked Ridge RDX 400 is speed rated at 400 feet per second, the recommended Wicked Ridge XX75 arrows will only reach speeds of 380 feet per second. To be able to reach speeds of 400 FPS, you're required to buy a set of 10-point Pro Light carbon arrows. These arrows weigh 65 grains less than the XX75 arrows. This results in less kinetic energy and therefore less penetration of the arrow. We recommend only using the XX75 arrows. This will ensure a longer life of the crossbow. With these arrows, we managed to get really tight groups at 50-yard distances and reach an average of 381 feet per second on our chronograph. If you're looking for the best value reverse draw crossbow, then the Wicked Ridge RDX 400 is the best option. With speeds of 380 feet per second and high accuracy, this crossbow is able to take down almost any animal at 50-yard distances. Number 2. 29X is a brand new crossbow that shoots with incredible velocity and deadly downrange accuracy. Check out why we like it and why some users don't like it. The Raven Sniper comes already assembled and ready to shoot, making it one of the best crossbows for deer hunting. Hunters with taller and larger frames, and those looking for extra power and speed, might want to try out the R29X crossbow. Because you just need 12 pounds to draw weight, it's easy to handle it. It's hard to find a more powerful crossbow than the Raven R29X that offers a high velocity of up to 450 FPS. The integrated cocking system is suitable for hunters who are not strong enough. It also features a frictionless flight system that offers zero rail friction when launching each bolt. Alongside speed, this crossbow is as accurate as a rifle. It comes with a helicoil system that allows the limbs and cams to stay balanced, and you can draw without losing your target. In addition, it is the track trigger firing system for further accuracy. Number 1. You will get a scope, rope cocking device, quiver, two 22 inches headhunter arrows, and lube wax when you purchase the bow. It is built for heavy-duty performance, and it weighs 6.4 pounds, which is light for when you are hiking. You will only spend a few minutes putting it together upon arrival. The anti-dry fire feature ensures that you never fire the crossbow when there is no bolt loaded. You can adjust the scope to increase your accuracy at hitting the target. Barnett provides lube, which you need to use to wax the string every 10 shots. You can shoot a deer with utmost accuracy between 30 yards and 45 yards. Beginners can use this best hunting crossbow to hit targets 30 yards away with ease. Above all, the price is right for both beginners and hunting experts. Barnett Whitetail Hunter 2 is the best crossbow for the money from the Whitetail series. You can never go wrong with this crossbow. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.